Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your device and account for voice chat the normal way. Check that your microphone and headphones are connected and working correctly. Confirm your device volume and mute switches are set to allow sound. Update the app and operating system to the latest available version before you begin. Sign in to the account you will use and confirm your account has voice chat enabled and any age restrictions are met. Restart the app if any changes were applied to ensure settings take effect. Next, enable voice chat inside the application settings or audio panel. Open the app settings and locate the voice or audio section to begin configuration. Set the input device to your microphone and set output to your headphones or speakers. Use the built-in test call or echo test and adjust audio levels until you hear yourself clearly. Enable voice chat permissions for microphone access and background audio on your operating system. Save changes and allow the app to reload if prompted. Finally, join a voice channel or start a call to confirm everything works. Join the channel and confirm your device transmits audio by asking others to respond. If you encounter problems, recheck permissions, cables, mute status, and input selection in settings. Restart the app, update drivers, or switch to a different USB port if needed. Respect privacy and platform rules by disabling recording unless you have explicit consent from other participants. Close background apps that use audio to reduce interference and echo for clearer voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.